Hey writers, welcome back. Today we're going to continue working on our passion projects. Remember, we talked about how passion means something that you really, really love, something that you have a lot of interest in, and you want to tell people more about it. So let's get started. Today I want to teach you that when you really love a topic, you can reimagine that topic and write all kinds of different pieces about it. So for example, some kinds of writing that we've already talked about are true stories. We have talked about fiction stories, which would be made up, how-to books, letters, poetry, cookbooks. So here are some other writings of some other kindergarten friends. You'll see somebody's writing a how-to about Legos. One person was writing a story about going to school with her cat. And there's Miss Ennis's penguin writing from last week. So these are just all different kinds of writing, and it's up to you what kind of writing you want to do with your topic. So I got thinking, I'd already written a poem about penguins. What kind of other writing could I do with my penguins topic? Because I really love penguins. And that got me thinking that we don't have penguins at the Salisbury Zoo. I don't know if you've ever been there before, but it's our local zoo. So I decided that I would write a letter to the Salisbury Zoo asking them if we could get some penguins. So there's my topic reimagined. I first started with a poem, but then I realized I could write a letter using the same topic. So on your screen now, you should see how Miss Ennis took her poem, and then I used the same topic to write my letter. Dear Zoo, I think the Salisbury Zoo should have penguins. They are so fun to watch. They look like little tuxedos. They are interesting ocean animals. Sincerely, a penguin fan, Miss Ennis. So there is my poem and my letter. And you can see how they're very different types of writing, but I'm still talking about my topic of penguins. So I know that Caitlin, she's been writing all about basketball. And she was telling me a book about how to play basketball. So instead of doing a book about basketball, maybe she wants to try a letter to someone else, telling them why they should try basketball. Or I know Miss Damiana has been writing all about Lego friends. So maybe she wants to create a Lego friend poem. That would be a great way to reimagine those topics. Okay, writers, this week you're going to be writing some more, and maybe you can reimagine your topic, just like Miss Ennis did. Take care.